It is early in the morning on May 20th, 2018, and I want to do a quick little update on the garden. Even though the onions, I put in a lot of them, they like the shade. They like the shade and the cool. I have more here, and although I put less in there, they're not as strong or robust as the other side. And really, I'm not doing this as a personal food garden in terms of sustainability. I'm more like a scientist watching things. The tomato plant from a few weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, is doing very well. The tomatoes do like this area, and here on the back the sugar snap peas are taking off now, and I've just put in the frame and I fixed it in with bamboo sticks. And of course the stinging nettle, which is a sign of a developing healthy soil that I have built from using straw. And then I remembered what this one was, and this is horseradish. So one of the horseradish turned out to be developing the flowers, and I leave that because it's beneficial to the smaller insects. The little bee-like creatures and butterflies have come. Many butterflies saw red admiral and others, and so they have benefited from this. And then the horseradish has been in the ground for 3 years, I think, and the new leaves came out, which helped me to identify. I knew I planted it, but I just forgot. And the tomato plant that seeded itself, probably from an old tomato, is also doing well. But the sugar snap peas on the other side, unfortunately, were eaten by the snails. And the way that happened is the wall gave the snails an ability to come down and finish off what was really an amazing growth of the peas against this wall. And they were able to come down the wall because they don't like the straw, and I put up the straw as a defence, but as the peas grew up the wall, the snails just finished them off. So I have, and they were my own, they were planted from the little peas, and I was so proud of them. So I've had to go and get a new array of sugar snap peas that actually mine were growing much faster than this. And then I'm going to have to use tea tree oil spray to keep down the snails and stop this disaster, this garden disaster of the snails.